This is a motor that came in. It was self-diagnosed. It was running out of gas, and told us to put another fuel pump. So we put the standard double pumper fuel pump on it. But I believe that what was going on is it was actually running too rich, because that's what we're getting out of the prop now with the new fuel pump on there. So when we have it connected up, it's just blowing black stuff all over the place. So we've got the pulse line disconnected, nothing's coming out of it. So I'm going to squeeze the ball, and so it's just pouring out of the carburetors. So that's what it's doing, is needles aren't seating in the carburetor and just dumping raw fuel, and instead of running out of gas, it was just flooding out. But that's where we are. It's not running because it's getting too much gas.